Greetings and salutations from central Louisiana, just a few miles west of Dry Prong. It is a cool and pleasant day here after Hurricane Laura passed through a week or so ago, and now we've had this tropical storm Beta come through and dump 3.5 inches of rain. Today I have been looking at this John Deere ABG cultivator, 2-row cultivator, and what needs to be done as I move forward with it. But no further ado, here it comes. Okay, what I have done is I have removed the rod that goes from here to here, and this side was in good shape. The other side had snapped off through a rough abuse, and I'm going to have to weld on a piece to it, sister piece to it, whatever you want to call it, and then rethread that section because it had snapped off in all the rough handling previous to me having it. But in my studies I found out that this piece right here and this actual front frame doesn't necessarily have to be used on this John Deere B, as this piece down here, right here, bolts directly back to the frame, and this other additional piece I'm sure is for something else. It could possibly even be for the extra plow metal busters up here, I call them, but I don't know. My focus is going to be on getting this cultivator section freed up and spun out and lined up the way it's supposed to be, and then we will see about attaching it to the John Deere B when she's ready to run. As my son Chris said, it helps to have something to display with your tractor. This cultivator needs a lot of little helping things. This little yoke here popped out, which means I'm going to need to spread it just a little bit because it's riveted right here. This is not bolted, this is riveted together, so I'm going to need to spread it enough to get this piece back in the hole, and then see if I can't close it back down to get it to hold. But it's just, this is going to be something I tinker on off and on. I don't have anything ready for it at this stage, so but the first step is to get it where it's folded out the way it's supposed to be, and I can set up a stand so it'll stand upright, and then I can actually start doing some productive work on it, we hope. But anyway, that's the fun and games today.